like that also possible. So again, open perspective. Here Java EE perspective. Click on open. Then Java EE perspective appears. Here first of all, you need to configure Tomcat server. You need to configure Tomcat server because compulsory server required. Compulsory server required. Then what you can do? Servers view. Click here. Servers view. Okay. Servers view. Click here. No servers are available. No servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. Okay. Click this link to create a new server. You can click on this one. Then one dialog box appears. This dialog box. In this dialog box, here servers list. These are nothing but actually plugins. Yesterday I told no. Yesterday I told which type of server you are going to connect. That type of plugin. If it is not available, we can download. We can attach. That is also possible. Marketplace is there. We can download. I'll show you. Say Apache. You can click here. Now here plugins available. You can expand Apache. Now Tomcat server is from Apache company. You can expand. See, it is latest version. That's what it is supporting up to 10. Now already we installed Tomcat 9. 9 we installed. Then select Tomcat 9. Like Tomcat 9. After selecting this Tomcat 9, click on next button. Yeah, these all notes I'll send you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Notes I'll send you. How to open server, how to send, how to start, everything I'll send. Now, here, Tomcat server. The name Apache Tomcat version 9.0. Tomcat installation directory. Tomcat installation directory we have to select. Now, where it is installed, that is we have to select. If it is not installed, then you can click this one, download and install. But in our system already installed. That's what I'll click browse button. Browse button. This PC, C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9. So C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 9. Okay. Now this one I'm going to click. Just 1 minute, wait 1 minute. See Tomcat 9, wherever installed, the location you have to find out. Select that folder, click on select folder. After this, click on next button. Here, if already applications are there, you can move configuration. Available applications you can configure. Present, I'm configuring only server. Application we didn't write. So click on finish button. Click on finish button. Now, here you observe we configured Tomcat version 9.0 server at localhost stopped. Okay. Now you can start this server. So just double click. Okay, double click. If you double click, it is okay. 1 minute. Right click. Right click. Start. Server is going to start. See, we are getting one error. See, what is error? See, it is related to port number. Just 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. See, here we are getting problem. You observe what is the problem you observe. Starting Tomcat version 9.0 server at localhost encountered problem. This is port number related problem. Port numbers are invalid. Then what you do is here. You observe Tomcat port number 8080. Admin port by default empty is there. This is one number, any one number you have to write. Okay. So here something 8005. By default 8005 will be there. That is not configured. Okay. That is a configured 8005. This port number should be 1024 to 65,535. Any one number you can use. Again, if you get an error, again if you get a same error, change the port number. Okay. How to change this? Just you have to double click. Okay. Now again you can start. See, save. Now it is going to start. You observe. It is started. See, observe one message. Tomcat version 9.0 server at localhost started. That means server is working properly. Okay. Now 8081 also okay. 8082 also okay. Already told. Wizard port numbers. 0 to 1023. Don't use these numbers. Free port numbers 1024 to 65,535. Okay. Reserved port numbers 0 to 1023. Free port numbers 1024 to 65,535. So don't use this range. You can go for this one. In this one also, still you are getting same error. Then again change the port number. Still again change the port number. Okay. Now here. Now you observe. This is server running. Server is running. Still if you get error, this port number also change. This port number also change. But because in our system so many softwares will be there. For every software, one port number may be applicable. Some port numbers, default port numbers may be 8080. Many servers it will be there. In that situation, that type of error comes. That is the reason. If you get again port related error, change the port numbers only. Okay. Now this is server configuration. Server configuration. Once if you configure server, any number of applications you can develop. Okay. Once if you configure server, any number of applications you can develop. Now see how to write solid program. See, observe file, new, dynamic web project. Now you have to select this one. File, new, dynamic web project. Okay. See, just select the server, right click, start. Here start will be there. Now restart is there. Because already started, that's what restart. If you want to stop, you can stop. See. It is started, restarted. See, right click, stop. You can stop. See, server is stopping. Server stopped. Now server stopped. Again, if you want to start, select, right click, start. Okay. Let it start, stop. Stop you can use. Right click, stop. You can stop the server. Suppose these port numbers, if you want to open this window, just double click, that window appears to change the port number. That GUI part, graphical user interface of Tomcat. Okay, like this you can see. Okay, see 805. These port numbers I change it. Here so many options are there. Server location. Suppose Tomcat supports outside installation. Use this option. Use Tomcat installation outside. So many options are there. So many. Suppose here browser also here only displayed. External browser if it is required. That is also we can configure. So here window web browser, internal web browser, default system web browser, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Chrome. Like this one if you click, browser here only displayed. This one if you click, outside the browser. Whichever default is that is. If you want to assign to Internet Explorer, this one. Edge browser if you want, this one. Chrome browser if you want, this one. Firefox if you want, if it is installed, that is also will be displayed. Tomcat also if you want outside, like this. Like this, everything, so many options are there. Whichever you want, that is available in Eclipse software itself. You can find out the tutorials available, tutorials, samples, examples, everything available. If you open welcome page, help, welcome. If you open, there are so many options. Okay, each and every window description also available. You can click samples, you can click tutorials, you can find out every window, every menu bar, everything we can see. See, if you click overview, it shows. See, workbench basics, nothing but total environment basics. That help will be there. Each and every topic available. See, scope, all topics. Here loading topics. You have to wait. See how Eclipse platform overview. Each and every graphical user interface, Java development graphical user interfaces overview. See Java development overview. Next getting started. See basic tutorial. Here preparing Eclipse. Like creating Java first project. Screenshots also are there. See, observe screenshots. What you have to do first, what you have to do second, each and everything. See, if you want to create a Java class, see how to do. See, just now I have shown, like this window I have shown. Here public, here my class name, package name. Here, see, everything available. See, complete tutorial. Without tutor also you can learn. See how to rename Java elements. See, everything available. See, moving and copying Java elements. Screenshots, complete screenshots available. Okay. See, evaluating expressions. See, debugging your program. How to debug. See, it is not a programming. It is already predefined tool. Without faculty, you can learn. Without faculty, yourself also you can learn. It is possible. No need to teach this one because it is not a program, it is not a logic. See how to run the program, running your programs. See, run as Java application. See, run configuration, command line arguments, how to pass. See, debugging, how to make it breakpoints, how to watch variables, how to find out values. See, everything available. See, breakpoints, the breakpoints, conditions, values, how it is changed, we can find out. Everything available. See, everything is available. This is just a welcome page only, it is available. Welcome page only. So without faculty also you can learn. But without faculty, if you want to learn, it takes more time and you have to check each and everything, what is required, what is not required. You have to find out, you have to learn. Okay, like this. Like this you can do it. Now, if you want to write first solid program, suppose just welcome program, just in a fraction of second we can write. You observe, file, this I'll close, like a file, new, dynamic web project. Project name, whatever you want you can write. Suppose project name something, welcome app. Okay, welcome app. Here solid, which version solid you want to write. Here by default 4.0 is there by default. Tomcat version 9.0. If many servers configured, many servers also can be installed, can be used. Okay, now Tomcat 9.0, like a dynamic web model 4.0. If you want to write, suppose if you select 2.4, 2.5, it is what will happen is compulsory this one required, web.xml required. If you write 4.0, then XML is not required. It will take annotation. 3.0 onwards, annotation it will take. These all don't change. If you want, you can change, you can do it again, you can run, you can check it, what will be happen. Then experiment purpose you can do it. Those all default settings only better. Default settings whatever is there, that is only better. Click on next button. You observe here where it is going to be stored. .java files here, .class files here. See, .java files are src main Java. .class files are build classes. It is going to be maintained. If you want, this is what is showing. You can change the folders, you can add folders, some other folders also possible. Click on next button. Now you observe it is context root. Context root nothing but it is war file name like. It is not a war file. War file, a jar file, war file you can export separate. Like a context root. In a after 8080, after 8080, see if it is dynamic web project is not showing means that is Java Eclipse. Eclipse for Java. Eclipse for Java doubly required. So that is your install. Welcome app. This is nothing but context root. After 8080. After 8080 we'll write now war file name. That is like. After that here generate web.xml. You observe? Generate web.xml deployment descriptor. Select this one. It automatically created. Now click on finish button. Click on finish button. So Eclipse for Java is there. Eclipse for Java double is there. Eclipse for Java is there. Uninstall. Eclipse for Java double install. And also dynamic project when it shows is if it is Java double perspective then only it shows. Java double perspective. Okay. Now welcome app. See we return. Now it is welcome app project name. Right click. New. Solid. See if Solid required Solid here. You can select Solid, Solid Listener, Filter, JavaScript, JSP, HTML, CSS. See, so many are there. These all not showing means that is, if it is not showing means that is maybe Java perspective, Java double perspective required. Okay. So that is 4.0 is the Solid version. Now, right click, New, Solid. You observe here, package name. Whatever you want you can write. Package name also suppose welcome I'll write. Class name welcome Solid I'll write. Welcome Solid. You observe what is happening. Project name welcome app. Our source file .java file stored here in this location. Our package name welcome. Class name welcome Solid. Which class? Super class HTTP Solid. If you want generic Solid you can write generic Solid. Okay. Now otherwise after writing editor you can delete, you can write generic Solid, like that also possible. Okay. Now next button. Here URL pattern by default URL pattern also welcome Solid appears by default. If you want to change you can change, it is possible to change. Okay. Like welcome Solid, select edit. Suppose URL pattern I want only welcome. Welcome. Click on OK. Package you studied now in Core Java. Package program in a package, class in a package. Package concept you studied, how to create package, how to use package, that is a package name. Now but previous Solid program without package we created. Here it is asking package name. Okay. Now welcome URL pattern welcome I given. Click on next button. Here you observe methods. You can choose what are the methods required, like do get, do post. By default do get, do post is there. You observe. So these are the methods of HTTP Solid. These are the methods of HTTP Solid. Do get default is there, do post default is there. Now default methods you click it, and if you want to implement interfaces you can add it. Okay. Now click on finish button. So automatically Solid code comes. Now you observe package name welcome. So default like previous programs we didn't write package. Package default welcome. URL pattern welcome. See welcome Solid extends HTTP Solid. Here constructor some other code do get, do post. Here what is happening you observe, in a do post do get method called. That means if the request type is post, do post called. This do post also will call do get on. Do get on. If the request type is get also do get called. The request type post also do get called. How it is called is do post. From do post this is called. Actually web container knows which method. Web container knows which method. Web container knows service method. Lifecycle service method. Lifecycle service method calls non-lifecycle service method. That will call do get, do post. Okay. That is. Now here you observe one welcome program already is there. Here welcome program what is there you have to observe. It is what is there. See response.getWriter. Response.getWriter means print writer. For print writer append dot append. This context path is the output comes. Whatever we given context path will come, no? That is the output comes. That is the output comes. If you want to change the output, you can change. Append method, it is string class method. String class method. Print writer method, string class method. Suppose if you want to display your own message, you can remove this. You can write code. Print writer. PW equal to response dot get right. See, it is showing list of methods. When you place the dot, it shows the list of methods. Which method required? Solid response methods. Get writer required. G. Get writer. You can type. You can select. Like this. After this, pw.println. Here, welcome to solids. This is whatever we are writing. Okay. Now, you observe. This is welcome to solids. Here, what is showing? You observe. It is showing error. Here, error. This error is print writer related error. Print writer related error. Print writer cannot be resolved. So print writer where it is java.io package. For this one also one shortcut key is there. So just Control Shift to O. Then that is print writer imported. You can see. See print writer imported. So everything default. Shortcut keys. See what we written. Only these 2 lines are written. Only these 2 lines are written. Remaining all code, complete code generated by system itself. Okay. Now writing program is over. You can run. How to run? Right click. See here you can observe. Welcome app. You can observe here. Here welcome app. You can observe. Expand. You can expand here. See here. .java files. Okay. .java files. Welcome solid. Build. Here after compilation it will build generated. .class generated. Here you observe XML file. XML file also will be there. WebONF web.xml. See web.xml. So it is folder structure. See what we are creating outside. That you have seen. Okay. See. Yeah, this is only real time they'll use because very quickly you can develop applications. Everything automatically generated. Maximum code generated. Today onwards you have to practice this one. The previous all programs also you have to practice this one. See very quickly possible. Generating automatically. This is also code automatically. Writing XML file automatically. Everything. Software companies will use this one only compulsory. Okay. Just within a one day all programs also you can practice. Within a program all also practice. You can practice. Now here deployment descriptor. Here also this folder structure will be different. See web.xml. You can see here web.xml. That source if you open you'll get it. Because here already annotation it has taken. Annotation. See annotation is there. Welcome. That's what the solid files not generated. Now you can click how to run. You observe. Now right click. Run as. Run on server. Click on save button. Here select the server. Select the server. Click on next button. Welcome app. Click on finish button. Server is going to be started. Here welcome app. What is the URL pattern? Welcome. See welcome to solids. Like this. This is only browser. Okay. Like this you can write solid programs. Okay. Like here that is before compilation, like before server starting, that is came. See now 1 minute. multiple annotations found. That is a problem on it. Here, no. Now here, suppose I explained the welcome solid. Suppose here actually Tomcat server calls service method. Service method calls non-lifecycle service method. Non-lifecycle service method called doGet method. That information also we can see. Just here HTTP solid. Just if you click HTTP solid, right click on this open declaration. If you click, it is source not found. Then what you have to do is HTTP solid code we can see. That is you have to download from 1 minute. I'll show you. Here in a Google Tomcat server, you have to open Tomcat 9 we installed 9 documentation. Click. You click this one. Back. Tomcat 9 download only type. I type Tomcat 9 download. Click on this. The zip file, source code distribution. The zip file you can download. You can see the HTTP solid code also. This is already downloaded. 1 minute. It is there, I think. It is there here. This one you can configure. You observe. What I'll do is attach source. Select the external location. Select the path, external file. Now where it is, downloaded folder, downloads, Apache Tomcat. Click on open. Now click on OK. Now see, it is HTTP solid code, HTTP solid program. So you can observe here public abstract class HTTP solid. HTTP solid service method called service. This is many lines will be there. Just I'll click on Control F. We can search for service method. Service. Find. That is comment. Again comment. Again comment. Again comment. Again comment. Now here service is there. You observe. Close. Here service. In this service method, what is happening? You observe. It is another service, non-lifecycle service. That next service will be there. 1 minute. Lifecycle service will be there. Lifecycle service. You observe. This is only server knows. Here you observe. What is happening? You observe. It is public void service. Servlet request, servlet response. Okay. After this, you observe here. You observe here. Here what is happening? You observe. What is this? Okay. What is this? You observe. Service request response. Lifecycle service method. Lifecycle service method calls non-lifecycle service method. I explained yesterday. That is. So it is actually lifecycle service method. It is lifecycle service method. It is calling non-lifecycle service method. It is calling non-lifecycle service method called. Non-lifecycle service method is at the top. It is here. Here you observe what I said. Request type get is there. Do get call. Request type is post is there. Do post call. So request type post is there. Do post call. So like that our service program, our do get do post methods are called. So actually web container knows only lifecycle service method. Lifecycle service method calls non-lifecycle service method. Non-lifecycle service method calls do get do post. That is, we can see the complete code whatever I taught. That is only I shown. Observe. It is lifecycle service. It is life cycle service. Life cycle service is calling non-life cycle service. Non-life cycle. So non-life cycle service here. Non-life cycle. Non-life cycle service. It will check request type. How it is checking, you observe? In a servlet request, one method name is get method. Method comes. That method, it is comparing with method get. It is one private variable. That is we cannot use. It is a private variable. Okay. Private variable. Method get. It calls do get. If the method is post, it calls do post. Like this. Like this, other methods are called. Okay. This is practicing required. While practicing only, you'll get it. Okay. Depends upon your practicing, you'll get it. But once if you understand, very quickly you can develop applications. Once, yeah, you can delete, you can erase. Suppose you don't require. Suppose this all you don't require, you can erase. So what you can do, your own style also you can write. Suppose your own style if you want to write, what you can do is right click, new class. You can write your own style. Class name, suppose hello servlet. Hello servlet. Like click on finish button. Write your own style. Instead of deleting also, you can write like this. Public class hello servlet. Extends HTTP solid. Okay. HTTP solid. You can write your own style. Public void service. You can overwrite. Like this also you can do. Otherwise, this welcome solid only you can change. This welcome solid only you can remove whatever not required. See, whatever not required you can remove. This all you can remove if you don't require. You can remove. See, I'll make it simple message. This do get only enough. I'll remove this one also. See, these package names also if you want star, otherwise individual. Now you observe. Now whatever required, that is only here you can make it. Here you can do it. Print writer EW equal to response dot get writer EW dot println. Welcome to solids. Okay. Now like this semicolon. See, I removed. This one also if you want, you can write java.io only star. Because anyhow you are not typing. Whatever is default comes to, that is better. Reason, here only one class loaded. If you write star, all classes loaded. That's what individual only better. Anyhow you are not typing. Like in a notepad, why we are writing star is, instead of typing by us, we are writing star. But here already automatically generated. So you observe, whatever record automatically generates. Even if you delete also. See, Control Shift to O, all automatically comes. Whatever required automatically comes. One shortcut key. The list of shortcut keys I'll show you. Okay. See, now this is you can write. You can make it like this. Now you can run. See, right click, run as, run on server, save. Yes. Next. Welcome app only, finish. Restart the server or continue with restarting. Without restarting, restart. It is going to restart. Here, URL pattern, welcome. Then welcome to solids. Okay, like this. That is you can write. These all. No need to create folder structure. No need to just everything here only. Server here only, browser here only, compiler here only, JVM here only, everything here only. Like this you can do it. Okay. Just you practice, you start practicing Eclipse. Now already you got this knowledge, you start practicing Eclipse. Okay. Port numbers no need to change. If you get an error, then change. If you get an error, then change. Yeah, automatically deployed. Port numbers don't change. If you get an error, then only change. Already, suppose already some programs already written. Already you written some programs. If you want to execute here, that is also possible. File, import. You can import. This file, if you want to export there, export. That option also is there. Okay. Here, file, import option. File, export option. So already separate files are there. That is you can load here. And if you want here to extract, export possible. Okay. That is multiple configurations happen. That's what I read one. Java EE for Eclipse. You have to download. Yeah, as a beginner, you have to practice without Eclipse. Now, after getting knowledge with Eclipse, both knowledge required. That knowledge required, this knowledge required. Okay. Eclipse I've shown. Google.com. Eclipse.download. Click on Eclipse downloads. Here, download packages. Here, this one you can download. Better. Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java. That is Java EE like. Okay. Yeah, annotations also possible. URL pattern also possible. What are the previous all programs you studied now? Those all you practice in Eclipse. What are the programs already you practiced? Those all you practice in Eclipse. Within a 1 day only you can do it all. Okay. There are so many options. I'll teach. Shortcut keys also I'll teach. Okay. Continuation we'll see tomorrow. Yeah, notes I'll share.